I refused to help my sister pay for her kids' medical bills because of what happened when I needed help. My sister and I have never been close. She's always had her life together, while I've had ups and downs. 2 years ago, I lost my job unexpectedly. I had no savings, rent was due, and I was panicking. I asked my sister to lend me $1,000 to cover rent, promising to pay her back. I wasn't asking for a handout, just help to stay afloat. She immediately said no. She told me she doesn't lend money to family because it ruins relationships, and hung up while I was crying. I felt abandoned. I figured it out by selling things and borrowing from friends, but I never forgot how easily she shut me down when I was desperate. Fast forward to last week. Her husband lost his job and now she's struggling. She called, sobbing, and begged me for $1,500 to cover my niece's medical bills until insurance reimburses them. I love my niece, but I couldn't forget how my sister treated me. I told her, sorry, I can't help, and threw her words back at her about lending to family. She went off, screaming this was different because it's her child, not just rent. She called me selfish and accused me of punishing an innocent kid. Maybe that's true, but where was her family helps family attitude when I needed her? My parents say I'm heartless and need to let it go because it's about my niece, not my sister. Now I feel guilty, but I also feel like she set the rules, not me.